Chola dynasty. In the previous video, we have seen how different types of attractive temples and the bronze sculpture art was carried by the Chola dynasty in their empire. We have seen that Rajaraj, who was the ruler of Chola dynasty, and his son Rajendra, both of them built very splendid, very attractive temples and carried different sculpture art into their empire. We have seen in the previous video. Now today we have to see the agriculture and irrigation. How was the agriculture and irrigation in the Chola dynasty? We have to see that now. So the point that we have to learn about Chola dynasty is agriculture and irrigation method in Chola dynasty. So the point that we have to learn is agriculture and irrigation. The point that we have to learn today is agriculture and irrigation method in Chola dynasty. Irrigation means what? Okay, irrigation means it is the method of providing water to the plants or crops. In this method, what happened into the irrigation? It is the process in which it is the method of providing water to the crops through the canals. That is called irrigation. Okay, it is the method of giving or providing water to the crops or plant through the canal. Okay, in the village you can observe the canals which is made up of cement. आपने देखा होगा खेड़ों में जो कैनाल रहता है, that is irrigation. Okay, irrigation means what then? It is the method of providing water to the crops into the field through the canal. Okay, so now we have to see agriculture method and irrigation method in Chola dynasty. Which kind of different efforts the people and the rulers who were living into the Chola dynasty, which kind of effort they used to take in the agriculture and irrigation, we have to see that now. Now open page number 24 of your textbook. Okay, now I read and explain. Okay, so open the page number 24 of your textbook. Agriculture and irrigation. So listen it now. Many of the achievements of the Cholas were made possible through the new developments in agriculture. Okay, during the Chola dynasty, the people who were living there, they achieved lots of things and brought development in the agriculture method. Okay, what they did, they learned lots of things, they achieved lots of things, and those things they brought into the agriculture and they developed this method. Okay, new developments they brought into the agriculture method. इन लोगों ने क्या किया, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें सीखी और उन्होंने क्या किया, खेती जो है एग्रीकल्चर है उसमें क्या किया, डेवलपमेंट किया. Who did this development? Chola dynasty. In Chola dynasty, the people who were living, they learned lots of things, they achieved lots of things, and they implemented those things, those they learned, and they made new developments in the agriculture method. Okay, look at the map number 2nd again. On page number 22, you can see here. On page number 22, there is a map. Okay, look at that map. What is there? Notice that river Kaveri branches off into several small channels before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. You can observe here Kaveri river is there. You can see at the bottom. At the bottom there is Kaveri river. In the map you can see likewise is there. This is Kaveri river. You can see there Kaveri river on map number 2nd. So what is happening here? Notice that river Kaveri branches. You can see here branches are there. Branches of this is the water, flowing of water. Branches several branches, small branches off into small channels before entering into the Bay of Bengal. Now channels, what are the channels? What is channel? Meaning of channel. Listen it carefully now. You can see these are the branches. These are the several branches. And what are they saying? These channels, small channels before entering into the Bay of Bengal. River Kaveri branches off into several small channels. You can see this is the Kaveri river, and it is branches. Different, what can we say? Water is flowing in a different direction. You can see here, and small channels is formed. Now, what is channel? Channel means what? It is the length of water which join two large area. Okay, two or more large area. Length of water which join two or more large area. You can see here. This is the length of water. Okay, and it is joining to different area. Here is different area. Here is different area. Here is different area. You can see here. So these small branches of river Kaveri is going into the channel. Channel means length of water which join two or more large area. So the branches of river Kaveri, it is making channel. Okay. So before going into the Bay of Bengal, यहाँ पे Bay of Bengal, suppose this is Bay of Bengal. Okay, Bay of Bengal. तो ये जो कावेरी रिवर है, Bay of Bengal में जाने से पहले this Kaveri river has formed different branches and made the channels. ये कावेरी रिवर ने क्या किया? चैनल्स बनाए, और बाद में जाके वो क्या हुई? इस बे ऑफ बंगाल को जाके मिल गई. ओके, आफ्टर मेकिंग द चैनल्स, दिस कावेरी रिवर went into the Bay of Bengal. But before going into the Bay of Bengal, this Kaveri river formed the channel. Channel means what then? Channel is a length of water which join two or more large area. Okay, that is called channel. So before going into the Bay of Bengal, this Kaveri river formed different channels. Okay. After that, water from the channel. So the water from this channel also provide these channels overflow frequently. The branches or this channel which were formed by the Kaveri, it remains overflow. इसमें पानी बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है. The quantity of water is more in these channels. Okay. Depositing fertile soil on their banks, and the soil which is present here, which is present on the bank of this channel, they make a fertile to that land or soil. So the water which is present into this channel, this water may fertile to the land or the bank of river. तो क्या होता है, इसमें का जो पानी है इस चैनल में का, वो क्या करता है, जो जमीन यहाँ पे है इस नदी के किनारे पे, वो जमीन को क्या कर देता है, वो पानी, दिस वाटर ऑफ दिस रिवर मेक व्हाट, फर्टाइल टू दैट सॉइल. तो इसमें का जो पानी है, वो पानी क्या करता है, द लैंड व्हिच इज प्रेजेंट हियर मेक फर्टाइल टू इट. ओके, वहां पे जो जमीन है उस जमीन को क्या कर देता है, फर्टाइल करता है. ओके, water from the channels also provides the necessary moisture for the agriculture. Good kind of moisture which is required for the cultivation of the crop, this channel provide to the agriculture. अच्छा ऐसा एक क्लाइमेट, अच्छा ऐसा एक मॉइस्चर, ये जो पानी है, ये जो चैनल है, वो एग्रीकल्चर को वहाँ पे प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ओवरऑल वी कैन से दैट द लैंड व्हिच इज प्रेजेंट नियर टू द बैंक ऑफ दिस रिवर, इट इज फर्टाइल ड्यू टू दिस चैनल. Okay, after that, particularly the cultivation of rice and the common crop, most of the people who takes the crops there, that is rice. On the bank of this river, which kind of crop they take? They take the crop of rice. Rice का यहाँ पे cultivation होता है. Okay, on the bank of this channel. Although agriculture had developed earlier in the other parts of Tamil Nadu, तमिलनाडु ऐसा स्टेट है, केरला, तमिलनाडु, जहाँ पे राइस की कल्टीवेशन होती है. It was only from the 5th or 6th century that this area was open for a large scale cultivation. But after the 5th and 6th century, farmer began to take the cultivation of different crops only. But before that, their major cultivation of crop was only one, and that was rice. Okay. Land had to be leveled in other areas. Forest had to be cleared in some regions. So for taking the cultivation of rice, some of the land was cleared. The forest was present on that land, but for making the cultivation of rice, that forest was cleared. वहाँ पे खेती करने के लिए बहुत सारे ऐसे जो फॉरेस्ट थे वहाँ पे क्या किए गए, फिर क्लियर कर दिए गए, उसको काट दिया गया. After that, people began to take crop of rice there. Okay. In the delta region, embankment had to be built to prevent flooding. Some of the region where lots of flood was coming. So for preventing the crops from the flood, they built what? Embankment. Embankment means wall. Suppose this is river. Okay. So they built what? Wall for the protection from the flood. तो लोगों ने क्या किया, जो क्रॉप्स है उनको बचाने के लिए, फ्लड जो आता था वहां पे क्या कर दिया, दे बिल्ट द वॉल फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ व्हाट, फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ क्रॉप्स. दिस वाज सपोज दिस इज द लैंड. यहाँ पे समझो राइस का ये किया है, राइस लिया है यहाँ पे. सो दिस वाज द बैंक ऑफ द, दिस इज द बैंक ऑफ द रिवर. सो दिस sometime flood used to come to this river. So for the prevention of this crop from the flood, what they built? They built embankment. They built what? Wall for the protection of this crop from the flood. तो लोगों ने क्या किया, वहाँ पे ये जो क्रॉप है इनको बचाने के लिए जो रिवर है वहाँ उसके बैंक पे क्या कर दिया, built a wall for the protection of the crop. इन क्रॉप को बचाने के लिए उन्होंने क्या कर दिया, यहाँ पे वॉल बांध दी. ओके. आफ्टर दैट in many areas 2 crops were grown in the year, and the people in the Chola dynasty they used to take 2 crops in a year. एक साल में 2 क्रॉप वहाँ पे लेते थे. One was common, that was rice. So the farmers who were living in that time they used to take the cultivation of 2 crops in a year. एक साल में 2 क्रॉप का वो क्या करते थे, कल्टीवेशन करते थे. ओके. इन मेनी केसेस इट वाज नेसेसरी टू water crops artificially. Sometimes the people used to provide the water to the crops artificially. They never used to depend on the nature or rain only. Sometimes they used to use artificial method for giving the water to the crops. वो क्या करते थे, रेन पे ही डिपेंड नहीं रहते थे, कभी कभी आर्टिफिशियली वाटर भी उनको दे देते थे. इनको टू द क्रॉप्स. ओके. इनटू देयर फील्ड. Now what they used to do for collection of water? A variety of methods were used for irrigation. Different types of development, different types of methods the farmer and people used to take during the irrigation. Okay. In some wells were dug, in some areas wells were dug. पानी स्टोर करने के लिए लोग क्या करते थे, they used to dug the well. कुआं जो रहता है ना, कुआं बांधते थे, कुआं तैयार करते थे उनके खेतों में. After that, in the other places, huge tanks were constructed to collect water. They used to construct very big amount of very huge tank for the collection of water in that. What they used to do for the collection of water? They used to dig what? They used to dig well into their farm, well into their field. After that, they used to construct a very huge or very big tank and they used to store the water in that. वो क्या करते थे, कुआं बांधते थे, बाद में बहुत बड़ा ऐसा टैंक बांधते थे और वहाँ पे वाटर क्या करते थे, स्टोरेज. एंड दिस वाटर दे यूज्ड टू यूज फॉर देयर क्रॉप. ओके. और ये पानी किसके लिए यूज करते थे, वो उनके क्रॉप को देने के लिए. ओके. रिमेंबर दैट इरिगेशन वर्क्स रिक्वायर प्लानिंग. लिसन इट केयरफुली. if you want to do the irrigation I have already told you that it is the method of providing water to the crops. Okay, so if you want to do the irrigation, planning should be there. Planning, अच्छी की planning होना, ये करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, we should have to know that. After that, organizing labor should be there for the irrigation. Okay, labor मालूम होना है, कितनी labor चाहिए, कैसा काम उन्हें करना चाहिए, you should have to know that. And the resources, which kind of things are required for irrigation, you should have to get that. Irrigation के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए ये भी आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. So planning, after that organizing labor and resources, these three things you should know if you want to do the irrigation. Irrigation के लिए तीन चीजें important है, which planning, organizing labor and resources. Okay, so maintaining these works and deciding on how water is to be shared, most of the new rulers, the rulers who were living into that Chola dynasty, as well as people living in the village, took an active interest in these activities. So the people of Chola dynasties and the new rulers who used to live in that time, they used to take a very active interest in the irrigation method, in the agriculture method. So अलग-अलग जो लोग वहाँ पे रहते थे, जो न्यू किंग्स वहाँ पे होते थे, वो क्या करते थे, इस एक्टिविटी में, इस मेथड में actively they used to participate in that. Very full of excitement they used to do this work. Okay, so here we have seen that which kind of different types of efforts they used to take for the cultivation of crop in the Chola dynasty. We have seen. Okay, so this was all about the irrigation and agriculture in the Chola dynasty. I hope you understood this point well. So here we have seen how to or which kind of method the farmers and the people used to do for the collection of the water, which kind of different effort they used to take for the agriculture, we have seen here. Okay, and here I think that you understood this point. Okay, so next point we will see in the next video. Okay, thank you, see you again.